Can devs do something? I can't take this anymore.
All right. After talking to my IT guy for a little while, we kind of figured it out, thankfully. Definitely scary though. So I pinged everyone in the Discord the video, and it was worrisome, and I had to like unplug literally all my monitors except one, and for some reason that actually worked, where I was able to boot up and then had to replug everything in and to recalibrate all my inputs. Good God, man. Just my internet went out only on my computer. It didn't go out anywhere else. It's so weird. Nothing makes sense. Like, my IT guy has no idea. Like, I always ask. I'm like, why did this happen? No one ever has an idea. Because it's probably it's unprecedented. Never happened in human history until now. So, yeah. Anyway, that's a great way to destroy the stream and the sentiment of it and the fun part and everything else, man. So... So, I mean, it's like kind of like the stream was over anyway, but it's like I'd cracked a beer. Meph was like, get another beer. And I'm like, okay. And I go to the bathroom and come back. It's all off. So just doing all I can to kind of extend things for the people that were keeping it going before it all ended. So good to see y'all back, the ones that are back. And yeah, we got a new day on Bitcoin. I guess we're going to ping everyone that I'm back. All right, in the Discord. And really no price action on Bitcoin since the new day began. Just a little pullback. But remember, you had a 4-hour engulfing candle, technically. Cover the previous candle, so it's like, would that mark up? Remember, we talked about the fake out. The neckline was failed to breach, so you could be going higher after that, and the hidden bearish divergence played out and went to neutral, and you can go red, or you can start building green again, and you've started building positive momentum again, kind of on that engulfing candle. So it leads you to believe it's possible you could extend the rally a little bit. Talking about this being a neckline right here. You tested the neckline once, created the shoulder, and you think that's it. Once you see the neckline again, you're probably screwed, but you held that neckline. The issue is like, good, the 200 moving average. Look at this 60-minute is so bad. What nice little evening doji star right there, reversal. That's so bearish, but it's 60-minute, who cares? But yeah, like, wow, congratulations on pathetically failing once again to break the 200 moving average on an insignificant trash time scale. It's just like, you know, getting anxiety just even looking at these time scales. But people like requested this stuff via tipping, so that's why I'm here. That's why I'm looking at it. Don't worry, this stream will probably be just unlisted once it ends. It's so embarrassing. Just going live and getting like 30 views, and because you're back for reasons, you know. Anyway, so anyone got anything to say? I've kind of like, the stream was over. It was literally over. It was like saved by Meth and a few others. And now I don't know what to do with my hands. Now I'm just like, why am I here? Why did I go live again? Back drinking this beer. And we looked at so many assets on the stream. So many. It was over, dude. And no one even really pulled me back in. It was just, I felt like it was a respect thing. Paying homage. Another alt season one day, of course. There'll be another alt season one day. But Bitcoin season will be next. Because Bitcoin's not done correcting. And Bitcoin could very well end with a capitulatory event that draws us down to 28K or something. Altcoins will be literally in shambles. Owning a crypto, if Bitcoin does that, you will lose so much money. It will be ridiculous. But eventually a bottom will get put in on this crypto market, but it will be because of Bitcoin bottoming out, and Bitcoin dominance will rise to 50+% in market cap dominance, while the altcoins continue to deteriorate in value and underperform Bitcoin at the same time. And then the first coin of all of them to really show life will be Bitcoin. You haven't put a bottom in. You don't know the bottom's in. You're in between two major inflection points, literally in the middle of it. Look, it's like open waters. You go to 40K, it's not weird. You go to 30K, it's not weird. It's literally not weird if you go up or down next. But when you get to 40K, it seems like it makes more sense that you would reverse there after back testing it successfully as resistance. And just like you might have a major reaction reversal at 30K. Why can I not hear this tip? Did anyone hear that? Did anyone hear the TTS right there on Rethink Finance? Nope, of course you didn't hear it, because it doesn't make sense. Of course you didn't hear it. And there's Jack Brown's. Nothing makes sense. It's broken. Can we get some,
Hype in the chat!
Beeler, why is the dream overlay broken? Audio properties. Okay, dude, I don't even know now. Man, it's so bad. Monitor only? Mute. Monitor off? Oh my god, dude, I have no idea. Might this monitor off? That's the way it's monitor. Why would this not be monitor off? Dude, everything got ruined, okay? Like, everything got screwed up. I had to undo all my video outputs. All of them had to be unplugged. You replug them back in, you restart your computer, the computer loses its mind. It has no idea where anything is now. OBS lost it, dude. It's psycho now. Let me try to go on my stream elements and just mess around here. Thank you, Jack Browns. You know we'll look at Hex. Rethink Finance wanted Hex. Dude, y'all serious? Y'all just spent $70 for it. No, I'm sorry. $120 on Hex in seconds. Okay, here's your Hex. Now, immediately. God, screw your bearish engulfing candle. But interesting still that you're right at that level. You're at the level where if it is a king, it will reverse. If it's a scrub loser, it's going to not hold and dump. I don't know which one it's going to do. I never act like I know which way it's going to go. But I'm telling you, we've identified a bullish harmonic on the daily. In a really nice divergence, like a low and then the slightly lower low at the not just pattern completion zone, but also the inflection point from July. And if the conditions are truly bullish, Richard Hart, can somebody message Richard Hart, and tell him it's time to buy, he needs to buy like now. Now. For this to play out. Not later, not below 17 cents. Now. So the composite operator wants to play this and wants it to all the TA to be respected and we be kings together. Then that happens if the TA is respected here on the divergence. That's it. It's now, or you're just going to be like every other loser crypto in the market. Wow, you want to be like every other loser, then go ahead and dump. Hit an 886, fall below critical supports, and put your whole long-term uptrend in jeopardy. Go ahead. If you want to be a winner, you bottom out now. This is the perfect time to bottom. There's value perceived areas. 786, so it's a milder, deep retrace, not the 886, so it's stronger performer, and it's time. It's time, and then we run to 34 plus cents, maybe even 50 cents after that. Okay, this is it. That's your hex. Okay. Thanks to the 120, y'all. Rethink Finance and Jack Brown's pretty much at the same time. Good luck. I hope it plays out, man, because it looks so pretty. It's like it broke the downtrend. It rallied, hit a resistance. Resistance support was resistance. It reversed and created the M shape after the breakout. And now it's making the higher lows. That's perfect. Then it's fine. It's time. You hadn't seen positive momentum on Hex on the daily since December 31st. Not one day in the year of 2022 has Hex seen positive momentum. That's the way some of our lives feel right now, right? 2022 has just not been a very good year so far. Good God. All right, that's it. That's your Hex, man. If that wasn't good enough, nothing ever will be good enough for a Hex analysis. Back to Bitcoin, which is not painting a Gartley, not making higher lows, not doing any of the things Hex is doing, unfortunately. Because if it was, I'd feel way more optimistic. But right now, the optimism just can't be that high based on the fact that you're either running to 40K, rejecting it and dumping, or going to 30K and holding it and then rallying to 40K, or you're not. You're going to hold 30K for a little while, absorb remaining demand, then dump below it. It's just, blah. BK, what'd you do, man? Is that real life? You did do that. You literally did all that. Yes, you're correct. All right. Remember, though, it should be like either request or spin. Because of that. Because of spin again and then chug. Okay, mods drink anyway. So, whatever. Get wrecked. Thank you, BK. Yeah, it really should be either request or spin, not both. That's kind of messed up. All right, we'll just go to it then, since we missed it. Oh, we also had to do a 1 second chart. That's like really what kind of made me sad, was like, oh yeah. I mean, I guess it's good because it let my blood alcohol content grow, or blood alcohol content grow, whatever I just said. I don't know. Comp to a wrapped ether. I don't. Why even look at this? Oh, dude, it's gonna bottom out, man. This is literally the largest opium smoking pipe you could ever get. Oh, dude, it's double bottoming, man. After making all-time lows, and all it's ever done historically is be a loser. So it's time to turn things around, I guess, this time. If you want to try a double bottom in a all-time bear trend, you can try. I guess you're at such devastated levels that, God, look how far off you are from 4.9 or 0.0459. Dude, just maybe the lower risk area was here. You're so far off it on one candle. On the daily, I don't even know what to tell you. Is it even the same daily candle? I don't know. This is so whacked out. Okay, if it held and it was gonna run, the target would be 0.0637 whatever's wrapped ways. I guess you're now range bound. Your lowest risk area 0.0459, your highest risk area 0637. Nice, dude. Is it a double bottom? Is it confirming a bottom? I don't know. Like, how would I know, dude? It's terrible. It's not the trend. Trend's terrible. It's not your friend. Are you even diverging? Not really, because it's a higher low, I guess. Dude, you get it. Here are your levels. That's all I'm going to tell you. Here are your 2 levels. Don't be offended. Don't be mad at me, because I'm like looking at something that... It's like looking at, like, I don't know. What's up, Gail? We'll spin for Gale. Dang, dude. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do with my audio. Can y'all hear the audio at all? I can see the decibels.
Spin, chug, spin. 0.022003290
We back now? I don't know if he meant the audio. Probably not. 50% of the viewers are back. That's always how it goes, dude. Wait. Mr. Lodick said it's back? You could hear it? He could hear it! I still can't hear it on my side, though. That's what sucks. But as long as y'all can hear it, we win. We're good. TTS works. Good. Still broken for me. Oh, Crypto Plumber, he didn't know spin. Crypto Plumber, all right, dude. Y'all were tipping me when my internet computer was down. Everything was down. Okay, this is a social, dude. So thank you, Crypto Plumber. Oh, David Comfeningafit. Thank you for subbing to the channel, dude. Look, chat. Can anyone pronounce this? If you can, say it 80 times fast. David Comfengafit. David Comfengafit. David Comfengafit. David Comfengafit. All right. Then it was the multi-hexes, and then the spin chugs. Gale, unfortunately, it was not a chug. It was clearly social. So, sorry, dude. 80 what, dude? 80 what? 80 wrapped waves. It is bottoming out now, man. Wrapped waves is like the old Bitcoin 2018 thing, you know? Will we hold? Will we start seeing positive momentum again on the daily? That'd be nuts.
30K should
sure,
be
it should be a wall of support like it was already in May through July. Yes, and right, all of 2021. It's not 2021, it's 2022 now, so we have no idea. The next time you see it may not be as good because you've already, market participants already attempted to rally and confirmed that the top was in. You didn't know in April. You had no idea on a weekly crazy time scale, significant monthly, that the top was in. But now, unfortunately, market participants probably have more confidence to believe the top is in on the second high that has failed miserably, right? I mean, yeah. So is it really going to be as good of a support now after confirming that major top? Probably not. It's going to be real scary when we get down there, man. Okay, so it's like the same argument for something like Maker. Good example. Maker. Like, so Maker on the daily. Think about it, right? All right. You're in a mega range. You get it. First couple times, test this level. Yeah, makes sense. Rallies to the next level. Can't break it, though. God, it goes all the way down. It doesn't quite even see the bottom again. Then rallies to make a lower high than the previous highs. And now it's like testing it and now testing the bottom. It just isn't as strong after the previous developments. The previous discernible events are lower highs. It's almost like inverse the chart, and it looks like an energy stock that crashed the COVID crash low, and they're just doing this, and they're just getting ready to break critical support resistance to run to the next levels, right? You understand, like on Maker, if you break 1744, there's just about a big nothing until minimum. One little pathetic high, 1180. So it's like, first a couple times, yeah, the second time, third, fourth time, you're not supposed to be getting this many opportunities to long. Therefore, it seems more like it's pathetic and bearish and gonna roll over. Absorption of remaining demand is going on. Yeah, we knew this would be a great area where there'd be a ton of demand. First couple times it played out. Now, why would it play out now after confirming a lower high than the previous high before it, which is substantially lower than the buying climax? Argument's just not strong anymore. at these supports. It was. Now it's not because of the events that occurred after the first couple of times that it made logical sense for a rally. It happened. And now you're showing distribution. Look at the macro. It's terrible. The macro is not good, man. Macro's like, well, oh, God, Fed's tightening. They're going to raise rates. Things just don't look good for risk on. Everything in crypto is risk on. The cycle is not good for risk on. Risk off is good. Defensive stocks, all right. Energy, okay. Got an energy crisis. Does that make some sense? Give some clarity? It's just not as good anymore. It was not anymore. No. The events after holding it are telling us it's over. We done. We probably go into 1180 and then maybe even $300. Things get bad enough.
$RSR
No
on
offense,
daily and weekly,
you know?
please, man.
Dude, I gotta go to the bathroom again, and it's like I'm scared. I'm like PTSD because if last time I went to the bathroom, my internet goes out, my computer crapped itself. So, what's up, Amin? Quan, dude, good to see you, dude. He's been around since literally the genesis of the Mitre, the Bible, not the Bible because it's not the Bible at all. It's the Bible. Okay, love this community, whatever. Yeah, unfortunately, all these altcoins kind of doing the same thing at their own inflection points, and it's pathetic. Jordan wants the RSR reserve rights connect, which, oh, let me guess. I haven't seen it in a long time. Let me just attempt to guess on how bad it looks. Yep, it's terrible, dude. It's like, I get it, man. I get it. Hey, man, it's back at that level that it went insane at in July. It went insane at in December 2020, November 2020, right? It was resistance in October. This time, you understand what you've done, right? The context is important. You hit that level early this year, and you topped out, making substantially lower highs than previous highs. But then you sold off and you rallied. You attempted to break it and failed like a loser. And now it's like confirmation that you're a loser. The fact is, like, I just don't know how much confidence I have in this support now, just like Maker. I just don't, man. Because the events before it, first time you don't know, and you create this, and it's like confirmation of distribution, and it's just an S coin called RSR. All right. 886, you already bounced, man. I just don't know how confident I can be in 1.6 cents. If you don't hold 1.6 cents, you're probably going to, good God, less than 1 penny, 0.007 cents or 0.7 of 1 cent. Yeah, dude, it's just bad, man. Confirmation that you're a loser. Yeah, literally, it's like a textbook term, at least here anyway. One does not simply pathetically fail to break or test all-time highs and then sell off and then attempt again and fail and then not get devastated worse than the first time it hit this level. I just think it is probable that there's just absorption of remaining demand here. You're oversold. You'll reset the oscillators. You might catch a little pathetic loser bounce, and then eventually you'll see or just 0.7 of 1 cent eventually at its all-time lows, and it could go to all-time lows for sure. Very possible. It's very hard to trust things in this market right now. These market conditions are terrible. It's all hopium. There is no bullish trend for these coins. They're just hopium smoking. Dude, it's at a support that it was already at 7-8 months ago and did rally. And after that 7-month ago rally, it's topped out twice, confirming you're a loser. Yeah. And now we're right back where we started. That's not good. That's normally really bearish. That means continuation downward. We'll see though, right? Yeah. Oh, you're never gonna see the hype song days again. You'll never, like, I'm Heisenberg. You'll never see Hank again. You'll never see him again. You'll never see Bitcoin pumping again to all-time highs, at least for a long time. It's gonna be a long time, dude. Like, Okay, dude, it's just gonna be a month from now. Yeah, the cycle's not over. Okay, you confirmed the top at 69K. It's not once, but twice you confirmed it. Hey, I hope it bottoms out, and I hope we can. Oh yeah, this is it, dude. Time to bottom out. Fine. Show me some bids. Show me some bids. Show me something different than pathetic lower highs, lower lows for 3 months now. And just look, I mean, like, your new day has been born, and it's like bearishly engulfing already and has barely even moved. You know the trend, right? The trend's bearish. It's not bullish. If you think it's bullish,
Captain
you're out of your
Hindsight,
mind.
$25.
What makes you think it's bullish right now? There's no argument for that.
Gone 4 hours, sir.
Besides the fact that we made an 886 retrace from the previous low. That's fine. Congratulations on reacting, and now nice reaction, dude. Nice reaction. Probably gonna see 886 again. Probably gonna see 33393 again. Thank you, Captain Hindsight, for the 25. You shouldn't have mixed alcohols. Proppy to be. Oh god, dude, you really want to see that? This is probably for entertainment purposes. I still need to do the 1 second. I gotta probably break the seal before I actually do that. I've never been here before. Y'all are just literally looking everywhere. I don't know what you want from me. I mean, it looks like the trend's reversing, yeah, bullishly. There was distribution, lower highs, lower lows forever, and then the lowest low rallied, and then you made a higher low than the previous low that matched up with the low from April of 2020, and you've rallied, and all of a sudden a higher high than the previous high, then a higher low than the previous low, now a higher high than the previous highs. But there's still a resistance at 7,891 sats or whatever. You're still there. Like, after something like that, what do you want from me? Like, I don't know. I have no clue. Like, it looks like the trend's reversed. And if you ever break 7,891, you could be off to test that other mini high from July 2018. You ever break that? Dude, what kind of coins are these, man? Who's your coin guy? Who's your worm guy? Who's your coin guy? I guess if you ever break 11,000, you could be going straight up to 29,572. I mean, it looks like momentum has shifted. The downtrend has become an uptrend. And all you got to do is, even if you sell off here, just make a higher low than 25.47, and the trend will stay intact. The uptrend will be intact, right? So, yeah, there could be a reversal happening. Sure. Sure thing. There could be, dude, I'm telling you, you break 11K, you could go to 29.5 easy. Proppy to Bitcoin, dude. I don't know. First request of all time. Yeah, it's true, dude. It's like
Every day I'm checking the price and it's dipping. Every day I check the price, bad price. I have overinvested by a lot. I can't take this anymore.
Know what I'm saying, dude? Know what I'm saying? That was the last request, technically. Except for the 1 second Bitcoin chart, which I'm going to pee before I do. But I'm getting drunk enough, I guess, to do it funny. Go ahead and tweet on, social media. I'm about to do a 1 second auctioneer chart on Bitcoin. God. What's my worst case scenario for Bitcoin? No, you don't want to hear my worst case scenario. The worst case scenario, Noah, for Bitcoin. I think worst case scenario for Bitcoin is this. I'm saying worst case, not it's going to happen. Worst case scenario for Bitcoin. Right there. 10,000, which is Richard Hart's price, unfortunately. And it's a little off. We'll see here. Let me get that there and there. Let's get 886. Yeah, it's right around 10K. Right around 10K is a full reset. That is worst case scenario on Bitcoin. Okay, that's it. Just remember, Bitcoin's done that before. Bitcoin did an M shape here. It did another M shape here. It did 2 M shapes. Scott Carney talks about it all the time. It could do it again, and it would be the most devastating M shape of all time, probably ever. People will lose their homes. They will be homeless, but they at one time they were rich Bitcoiners. That is why at some point up here, you got to do something with your gains. On the way down, didn't know it was going down, but around 56K, I liquidated a position to literally buy a real estate property. $377,000 real estate property. Bought it. Then renovated it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I'm trying to rent it out. Now I just listed it for sale, right? I don't know. It's just a lump sum of money that exists, that is real, that's no longer in this market, but was made in this market, right? Pay taxes on it, right? You got to do something, man, right? You can't just, I'm gonna sit and you can, but you got to diversify. If you make gains in this market, it's really smart to like take some of the profit you made here and put it somewhere else that is less volatile, easier to sleep at night with that capital, right? And something else that's safer. This market's nuts, dude. It's psychotic, crazy volatile all the time. So you want to, like, if you make money here, you want to try to put it somewhere safer. And then keep working. Keep doing your thing. Keep doing what you do. And maybe add to this. You have a dollar cost average account, whatever. On the way down, they could take 2 years, man. It could be 5 years before good things happen again in this market. You just don't know. Got to figure it out, man. No exit strategy for Michael said, okay, dude. Well, whatever. That's cool to, for people that literally look at Bitcoin as God. Sure, that is there is no exit strategy. It's their God. Got it, dude. But for everyone else who doesn't treat Bitcoin literally like Jesus, you got to have a contingency plan. You got to have something, man. You got to do something, all right? It's a nice downtrend, though. Beautiful. What just happened? Tony, what's up, dude? Can you do a calm reading like the one with Zen music? I mean, a calm reading is just like any other reading. Is you know how much it was $100, right? $100 request for me to do the 1 second chart. So I mean, if you tip 20, it's sure we'll do that. Whatever. Time to crack another beer. I'm not even done with this one, dude. Chill, Matthew. But yeah, it gave me time to think about things. The meaning of life, which is just there are times to make money, times not to lose money. That's the meaning of life. Of finance, anyway. So I'm gonna go. I already broke the seal, unfortunately. Let's just say, hey, do y'all think my internet goes out when I go to the bathroom? Because when I went to the bathroom last time, the internet goes out, my computer crapped out, everything went bad. So hopefully this time it's better. And soon I'll be doing a 60-second, 60 or 1 second chart analysis. I'll be right back as an auctioneer. Enjoy the live stream. Like button, bell, sub, connect. right. I hold my own oath fulfilled. Right? It's like unresolved bathroom break is now resolved. Feels good now. Because the internet didn't go out. And yeah, I have a smart toilet, but it's not connected to Wi-Fi or the internet. That doesn't make sense. I don't know if I ever want a smart toilet because it could affect the internet maybe at some point, some world. All right. So we have a request. There's only like 5 people watching this stream now. But for the 5 people watching, we're going to go to the 1 second chart. That was requested by Meth. He says 1 more beer and 1 second chart. Speed run TA. Tipped $25, $50, or around there. He did 2 different ones. Okay, Jed. We got ourselves a bullish shot. I got a bullish shot racked in the PCC. Close the PCC. All right. We got an X, an A, a B, and a C, and a D. The D was what? Oh, it was a little too shallow. We never got to the 786, Jed. We never got, but we're pumping. We're pumping hard. We're getting close to local highs. We break 36,799. We could be moon boys for 10 seconds. We could do things. Oh, they're breaking that resistance at 36,751. Overbought, very overbought, but now we're not overbought. Now we've reset the oscillators completely. After testing the resistance and failing to break it, oh my God! We gotta dump down to hit the 786, and we're screwed, man. But an outperformer unable to get to the 786, had to retrace at the 65% retrace, the golden pocket. Let's go, dude. Pump it, dump it. Oh, we're testing major support now. Major support. 1 second to go. We broke support. We're dumping. We're pumping. We double top, Chad. Oh no! Double topping a downtrend could be devastating. All the market participants have tried so hard. They tried so hard, Chad. But guess what? Bearish patterns and bearish trends oftentimes outperform reliable. And I can't even grab this thing. Let's go. Dump it, baby. Dad! Sorry, I can't even. My visibility screwed up. So, yeah. Double top! That was it, dude. That was the request. Someone literally requested this, chat. Literally requested it. It wasn't even, like, serious. And I'm sure we went from 5 viewers to 2 viewers. So thanks for the 2 people still tuned in watching this stream. This consolation stream. Or this whatever. Wow, music was way too loud when I did that. Sorry, I forgot to turn it down. All right, that was it. And here we are back on the 4 hour. Ugh, blacked out. Yeah, really, 1 trillion views? Yeah, right, dude. No matter what I do, I'll never go viral. It is a certainty. Written in stone. Did that suffice, Meth? Here it is. Here's the problem. Like, Meth may not even be here. He requested it, and then the stream gets ruined because of the internet and the computer. And then I come back and then do it. And he must like eating dinner with his family or something, dude. Don't even know. Grimace coin. Oh my! I will kill Grimace coin. Just kidding.
Please look at Grimace_coin_official. It's survived and had CNBC TV coverage. Legit.
Grimace
blowing
coin
up
official
meme coin.
will be devastated
Solid
by
chart.
me. I will land a killing blow to Grimace and his entire world and whatever, dude. Grimace coin's going to 0. Yeah, it's kind of like Grimace coins
0.
Yep. Where does one actually look for the Hamburglar? Yeah. Yeah, McDonald's running their own Ponzi. Why not? Because it's not regulated. They're like, crap. They're starting to regulate. We might as well get our scam coin done before they regulate so we don't get in trouble. All right. Fantastic. Yep, my whole life fund into Grimace coin. My whole trust. I wasn't a trust fund kid, but I am a trust adult human being now. Whatever, it doesn't sound as good, but
Based off Elon tweet, but all the
Based
scams
off
and
Elon
ETH
tweet?
coins died. They seem legit,
All the
with
scams
upcoming
and Ethereum
charity.
coins die. They seem legit with upcoming charity. I don't understand what you mean. Matthew, I don't know where you're going for this. Oh, dude, Walmart, man. No. It looked good, and then it went from, like, confirming a bottom. Now it's confirming a top. Good God, no thanks. Dude, Target, too. Get out. No Target. None of that. Yeah. Rough times, man. Your college kids' funds into a Grimace. The Grimace coin. Yeah, dude, your 529B or whatever it is. Yep. All in. Grimace coin. We are. Jackie says this is highly entertaining. Guess I'm not high enough to get that one.
Is that a joint?
Because, I don't know. I'm literally, this is like... We had, like, struck an agreement, chatting me. It was like 800, 900 people. We had struck an agreement to drink another beer and to joke and whatever and maybe keep it going, and then the whole world collapsed for me, and here I'm back, lost all my viewers, lost my likes, and we just did the 1 second chart analysis that I was coming back for. No, I don't think. No, dude. Them coming out with like Grimace coin, no, it's so stupid. Like even Zuckerberg, like they all FOMO'd in at the top. Zuckerberg started talking about metaverse on Mana's second attempted rally, and Block and Sand and all the other scrubs now. Like they're all gonna do full 886 resets, and they're all like, "Oh, this is it, man. This is where we should put our capital." Yikes! Didn't work, man. Dude, Ubi, what's up, man? Newport Beach, you're banned, dude. Self-shill, scrub. Let's go, dude. Can we get some for Ubi, man? Let's go.
We love you, Mitch. Spin.
Spin? I don't know, man. I don't trust spin. Would it land on normal? Mods drink again, get devastated. Everyone that's a mod. If you have a wrench, drink your tea, coffee, beer, liquor, or whatever, man. Thank you, dude. Wow, Ubi. Holy crap. Ubi now matching Jack Brown's for session top. I don't know, they're different categories. Session top tip, session top super chat, but they're both the same. 100. That's right, mods wrecked, including Matthew D's wrecking himself. Good job, dude. All right, so what do we think, chat? What do we think about the 60-minute? What do we think about, if there was any question, if there was ever a question, we would have another question now, right? Where the Head and Shoulders developed and then failed. And we rallied, but that rally off the neckline was such a loser. Oh my God. It's like in Little League Baseball, like the kid who just is not an athlete, but doesn't really know it yet. He's batting ninth, and he plays left fields. That's Bitcoin right now on the right potential shoulder. It's just bad. It's like, what? Can't even compete. Shouldn't even be here.
If you were to short to 10k, where would you look to do it? Scaling starting now and
I don't
up
know if
to
you'd be
40,
shorting
42K.
crypto right now. I mean, like, dude, crypto shorting. If we talk about, thank you, Super Drag. If we talk about 40k and 30k being the major inflection points, and we know those are based on historical price action correlation, and that's it. That's our only argument. The other argument could be feelings, I guess. You flip the coin, it goes to 40k here. You flip the coin, it goes to 30k here. I mean, to me, that like, there's just nothing real. Like, it's too choppy. It's choppy. Go to the equities. Go to the equities market if you want shorts. Not even kidding. Go to equities, man. You want a short opportunity? How about look at like Olin? Okay, Olong Johnson, Tweezer triple topping today. Where You had the buying climax. Okay, look at this asset. This was Hollande's comment. Once every 10 years, you see this level and then you rally. But now, the buying climax, then something that hasn't happened before on this entire effing rally, where it appreciated in value, chat. 500%. Okay? Something hasn't happened that is now happening. It is confirming lower highs in the previous high, and is now breaking down and back testing what was once a resistance as resistance again. The trend is reversing. That's the theory anyway. That is the reason why one might be shorting. Flip the chart over. The asset, what was once a support, dang, showing tremendous amounts of accumulation, confirmation lows, rallied and back tested that level that was once support. It is now support again. Actionable for a long. A spring back test of spring. Hidden bullish not really. Anyway, it's just because the oscillators are wide. They don't flip two. They don't invert two. But that's kind of my theory. That there could be tremendous upside potential. Just kidding. Tremendous downside potential. Like where it's actually topped out and is implying why it's topped out. Something like that is interesting. This isn't based on feelings. This isn't feelings. This is just real life. What do you mean? Someone sent me $30. Why scam donation? Please tell me how I'm scamming donation. What does that even mean, dude? Scanning a donation? These are tips. This is supporting the stream, so it's not. It's always going to be crowdsourced, and there's not ever going to be a sponsor. I don't have to shill affiliate marketing links. I demonetized. The stream has been demonetized forever. There are no ads. What are you talking about? Grimace boys. I'm still waiting for like the no argument. He scammed on nothing. Get him. Huh?
Can we take a look
Loss
at
of
the
distribution.
histogram on
Also
XLE
caveat.
weekly, please? Trying to wrap my head around convergence, divergence.
XLE, yeah. That was it. That was it. The beer is done. Interesting. I did a request for 20, and what request have I not done yet? Jesus. Please tell me what requests I didn't do. Please look at Grimace Coin. Oh, I didn't even know that existed as a tip because the TTS, based on my computer shutting down, I having to pull out all the cords and wires and put them back in. The input is messed up. I can't hear the TTS now. I can only visualize and see it on my screen. So that's what's going on. Can I look at Grimace Coin? We don't look at things that are not on TradingView. But the fact that it's McDonald's and we were working at McDonald's on Sunday, we can try to pull up a chart. Grimace Coin chart on Google. And this is a one-time thing. Fake Grimace Coin jumps 285,000% after a McDonald's Tesla joke. I saw that joke. It was a fake Grimace Coin. It wasn't a real coin, chat. Wasn't real. It was fake. What say you? Got something to say now, huh? Yeah, we all remember Olan. Olan Johnson was amazing. And now it's amazing again for a potential short opportunity. Anyway. Okay, chat, what do I do? Okay, we held around. I drank the beer. We did the 1 second chart analysis. What do I do now? Do I end it and just recalibrate? We got the Patreon Hangout stream in about an hour, 60 minutes from now. Patreon Hangout and the Discord voice chat. I get in now. I gotta get food probably. I need to order. What should I order for food, chat? Picture me rolling, you say that. Then people will be like, you scamming. Like, what? Scamming for coming back when the stream was over. We're just keeping going a little bit longer. I'm not ordering McDonald's ever. Screw McDonald's in that way, for real. And screw Larry D. Brown, another Nigerian scammer. Okay, cool, you're banned. Good Lord. Oh, White with a J, that's how you get banned. Yeah, if you ever post your personal crypto account in the chat, you just literally don't exist anymore as a person who can type in the chat. Congrats on being banned. And you understand, if you get banned, you cannot be unbanned. It's impossible. It's like YouTube doesn't store names anymore in the hidden list, I'm telling you. So just don't get banned. Good night for bar food. Local best barred food. This just reminds me of a 2018 stream again, doesn't it? 10 viewers, you and me, we're hanging out, but I don't remember food prices being ever this expensive in 2018. Right? Never, ever. And maybe tacos are gonna have to do it, man. Taco Thursday. They start with a T. It doesn't sound good though. Why do you want to, dude? The BSC, I told you, is a scam. Donald's, good God, man. Here's your scam. Here's your scam on a chart. There's your scam on a chart, chat. Congratulations on getting scammed. It pumped. It literally lost 88% of its value. And, oh, it's going to rally here. Who cares? No one cares. If you ever buy this, it's stupid. Buying Grimace coin on Poo coin is stupid. If you do it, you might be dumb. No offense. You just might be derp. That's it. I did it. There's your analysis. That's as good as it gets. It's not going to 1 cent. It's not. Wrong contract. See, then, if I type it in and it shows up and it's not real, then I'll never look at it. You can get out, man. I'm never going wherever you want me to go. I'm not going there. Ever. Keep tipping me, man. I'm not going there. I'm not going to wherever these weird sites you're talking about. I'm not going to Uncle whatever his name is in Vegas Vacation. I'm not going to his casino to play war against you for money. I'm not doing it. That's literally trying to buy Grimace coin. You're going to those casinos and pick a number between 1 and 10. 5, 7, 8, 2. Doesn't matter what you pick. That will always say another number. Jesus. It's super smart, man. Really? You're a genius for buying Grimace coin on Poo coin. You're a genius. You're going to be up there with Elon Musk soon. You keep making decisions like that in your life, chat. I'm just saying, right? We know it's a real coin. Are you kidding me? Yeah. It's a joke, though. The joke one jumped up 350,000% or whatever. Not the real one. Like, I don't even know. How do these people, how are they still market participants? Caring about, the bubble's already popped on like everything. We're making lower highs, lower lows. Bitcoin's lost 88% of its value from the July low. And people still shilling literal scams. Crazy, man. I'm looking for something to eat, okay, dude? Just relax. I'm not getting many recommendations from y'all. Y'all are chatting at me. You're not chatting with me at all. Everyone's just talking about Hamburglar still. McDonald's is not happening, dude. It's just not gonna happen. Ugh, gross. We'll Tesla on the last
What
stream,
up?
which is the same
Luna
stream
at support and bullish divergence.
I know, Luna just getting ready for its full reset, probably. Nah, dude. Nah. I would wait on Luna. Next target, $45 to $47. Oh my God, the RSI in the 4 hours set up for lower prices. I wouldn't touch this, man. I wouldn't touch it. But you can do whatever you want, man. No, like, nah. When does Luna ever make lower highs on the daily? Never until now. The lower high has been set. It's been put in, man. Confirming there's distribution. There are just less market participants than before. I just don't, it's a high flyer. It appreciated in value. Look, dude, if you missed a run from Luna from June of last year to what was it? December 2021. If you missed that, stop trying to make money on an asset that's done that. It's over. It's done. It played out. It literally played out. And you're trying to tell me after it finally, for the first effing time since it did that, since it ran up 2,000%, you're telling me after making a daily lower high, you now want to take a shot on it. After it's confirming distribution. Why? Why would you long this? It makes 0 sense technically. 0. You would let this thing, I don't care if it rallies and make a lower high and it's going to dump again, and it will probably eventually full reset from its lowest low to its highest high. It will probably eventually see $25 to $16 again. That's it. But if you want to catch a knife, you can do whatever you want. You can go buy Grimace coin. Do it, man. Have fun. But you kind of get what I'm saying, right? It's like you're literally smoking hopium. You're overdosing on hopium, trying to take longs on cryptos that ran up 2,000+% in 7 months, 6 months. And then after they've created that buying climax, they sold off, they attempted a rally and confirmed. They confirmed it's over for now. That's what it is. That lower high is confirmation it's over for now. Come on, yeah, go ahead. React and make a scrub rally, head and shoulder, or something stupid, and then dump again. Okay? I just don't know how much clearer to make it, It's stupid right now. So long Luna now is stupid. Literally stupid. You can ask about Luna anytime for 7 months. How about Luna now? Well, it's a higher high, it's a higher low, it's a higher high, it's a higher low, it's a higher high, it's a higher low, it's a higher high, it's a higher low. Buying climax. Well, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's not what you want in bull trends. I guess I'm gonna order this food then. Nice. Chat, $50 for tacos. Let's go. $50 for tacos.
Hype in the chat!
So, screw Luna for a while. Screw Luna. No, I don't want to touch it for a while. It will be a long while before Luna is good again. It's done. But okay, only after appreciating in value in 6 months, 2,100%. That's legendary. It's just we're talking about now. Now, not yesterday or a month before. Okay, the tacos are now being prepared. Gluten for punishment? Have you not been here for, I've drank 3 beers. And I'm contemplating a 4th beer, but I don't know. Can someone help me articulate an argument enough to like get a 4th beer? Or is it just kind of like, nah, no point. No argument. But dude, Luna's burned to mint US. Nah. It's every other S coin. You must have not been here for 2018. It doesn't matter what your literal fundamental argument is. When rugs get pulled, they get pulled, and it's on literally everything. Nothing survives. Nothing. You will see, though, my sweet child of summer. You will see. Oh, gluten does not equal glutton. Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry. I think gluten can also, though, equal glutton, right? They can be equal.
Spin.
Wait, Matty D? Is that Matty D? Is Matty D Matthew D? Because there has been inflation. Because it's been like 3 years since you've tipped. If you're the Matty. You know it's $15 for a spin now, right? There is inflation. And it's warranted for an increase if you're going to attack my liver. So, yeah, whatever. Luna for the trade. Again, man, like, reaction low. Do we want to take longs when we only have a reaction low? No. I think it could rally at this level because it's an incredibly important inflection point. But even still being there, you're only like at the first low. You have no idea. What about the second low? We'll talk. But the first low, not good. And chances are, the way things have changed on the market, you'll make a potential second low, and on the second low, it'll roll over. There will be no bids. It'll just absorption of remaining demand is complete and marked down. Was that you, dude? Okay, all right. We won't say anything though. Matthew, hey, hit up Brad though. Hit up Brad so he does
Spin.
it. Oh, there he is. This is the Matt D, man. Make sure to PM Brad Matt. I don't even know if this is the right. That's the Matt. It seems like that's the real one. All right, he met the criteria for the spin. I'll play it though. I'll play it. Hold on. It's just a water beer. Yeah, Matthew D needs to PM you, Brad. I said, and I'm giving consent or whatever. I'm overriding and saying it's okay. No koozie for this one. Well, I can pour it into this, so that's fine. Matthew D will tell you what is okay, Brad. He'll tell you. And that'll be it. Yeah, vague pronouns work this way. Lorenzo, I don't think that is the case at all. I'm certainly, dude, like, it's very kind. The fact that you would actually use the word prodigy, there's no way. I'm not. I am a disciple of maybe potential prodigies that existed or exist on this market. But thank you for the kind words. Oh, it was the right Matt D. Very nice. Very kind words. This is just a Michelob, dude. So it's a gulp. All right, I'll gulp. Okay, we did it, man. You alert? When is 80 stream? The 8th of every month, if I remember, if people even care enough. No, I'm not a Patreon stream yet. I guess it would be in like less than an hour. It's the hangout anyway. We don't really stream anymore at night though, so it's kind of a change for reasons, good reasons.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Again, this is like bonus, you know, time. Stream should have been over like 2 hours ago. Yet here we are. Thanks for the 5 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, 5 of y'all should hit that like button, that bell, that sub. That's it. Big yikes, dude.
Was hoping 25.00 was an Easter egg price for a chug low. How's XLE?
Oh my god. What's that hindsight, man? 25 was the Easter egg price for a chug. It is the Easter egg price for a 5% chance of a chug. If you tip $25 US that is not super chat through Stream Elements, then yeah, there is it's like a 6% chance or whatever. So XLE. We looked at XLE at the beginning of the stream. Oh wait, the other stream. Energy looks amazing. It's like one of the only assets that looks amazing. Of any index or of any like sector fund, you broke out, you back tested the breakout as support, and you're starting to run. That's it. It's amazing. There could be upside that is immense. $78 could be up next. On deck. $78 is on deck for XLE. Yeah. Yes, that's it. There's nothing more to talk about it. Thanks, Lorenzo. Cheers. You prefer Burger King? Ban him! Get him out of here! This is McDonald's house. And under this roof, you will become a McDonald's person as well. Or something. I don't know, dude. Whatever. How do you even respond to that? Because it was a joke, and now you're making a joke within a joke, so we're trying to make jokes within jokes within jokes. Or something stupid. Yeah, Grimace will see you out. He is definitely the muscle. Get wrecked. Everyone. I don't even know what the weird purple thing is. Is it like a... It's I think it was, they created it and they're like, Grimace will be the modern American human being, or at least the majority of the American public in 25, 30 years. It happened. Everyone, like half the population in the United States, or North America anyway, Mexico, Canada, United States, they're all Grimace now. That's the model U.S. or North American citizen now. Morbidly obese, doesn't take preventative measures to protect themselves from COVID, and then declares that everyone else that's healthy, that doesn't want to take the experimental vaccine, they are the enemy, dehumanize them, attack them, blah, 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 blah. And I need my 5,000 calories today. I need it, man. Give me my food. Give me my carbs. I need to eat 5 meals a day. 3 meals and then 2 snacks, as the FDA would prefer, because it's good for revenue, for the food industrial complex of this country, or really, again, North America. We're the West now. Whatever. It's spread everywhere. Sorry, I just blacked out. Get it? Grimace was the model Westerner North American citizen and is now that. They did it. Everyone is super fat with nasty love handles, really weird oblong pear-shaped bodies. That's Grimace. That's what he is. And kind of stupid too. So nice. Here's Ethereum. Ethereum kind of like, whatever, what a joke. Oh, it's down 1% on the day and it's oversold. 25.5. What a scrub, dude. What a scrub. I mean, you would think it'd make more sense to see 2064 than where we are now. To bottom out. Why not? Not a bad idea. How about H-bar, though? Remember H-bar? It's still there. So you're telling me there's still a chance. Yep, there's still a chance on H-bar for legendary stuff. But John Travolta, where are the bids? There are none. At the pattern completion zone of this textbook, beautiful, bullish Bartley bat. It's amazing. It's amazing, but not doing anything. And even sellers are implying they're exhausted on the daily on the RSI. It's crazy. Everything is set for higher prices, but no one cares enough to buy H-bar. So that's not good. And that's like normally bearish condition stuff. We gotta do something, man, on H-bar. Someone start buying. Who's the composite operator for H-bar? We gotta send them a letter. Send a Raven, dude. I should get drunk more often. I mean, I don't even know, man. I feel unfulfilled. This doesn't seem like a successful drunk stream, you know? I feel like... Yikes. No wonder I guess I haven't done it in a while, so... It's not even really... You haven't even seen me drunk. No one's even attacking me. No one's even hitting the wheel spin. It's like, hey, wheel spin's off limits until today. And it's like 3 wheel spins. I was like, okay. And the first one hit chug. It's like, okay. Well, I guess it's, I'm just trying to keep it going, man. It was like I've been live for an hour, over an hour. So I guess a 3-hour live stream, technically, between the last stream and this stream. Yep. At least we have 300 people watching, 326 watching, and 332 likes. We have more likes than we have concurrent viewers. That's so pathetic, dude. I mean, it's good. It's really good. It's just like... Dead streamer, dude. I'm good. Just waiting for my tacos to arrive so I can eat, and then in 30 minutes I'm gonna have the Patreon hangout stream, and then we're good. So, yep. I'm just gonna finish this beer and then wrap it up, I guess. I mean, there have been multiple TA trade setups that have been all shorts lately, or recently in the past few days. Thanks, Captain Hindsight. Yeah, I try to put emphasis on education. So good luck to H-Bar. It could be a king. I mean, like, this is literally where, like, thousands of times across all markets where things do this. But H-Bar may literally not do that at all because it's a loser or whatever. It's H-Bar, it's an S-coin, and a not very bullish macro. I got it. So that's not going to perform. This is it. It's like we're about to see invalidation, violation, or we're about to see a major, amazing reversal where you could very well see at least 34 cents. That's your H-Bar, man. Here's your other one that is, again, like, the stage should be set, but the macro's dog crap, so probably going for a full reset and gonna be eventually seeing like 3 cents because it's Tron. It's nothing special. Tron has clearly proven that it is nothing that anyone cares about. It has nothing about it that's special. It's just another loser S-coin with Justin Sun at the helm, who has done nothing good. Nothing. He has done nothing. Just like EOS has done nothing. I can't even believe Tron exists at 5.6 cents. It should probably be fair value price 2 cents. I can't even believe it's here. I can't believe I'm even showing you this chart. Because it probably deserves to be down here at, like, again, 2.6 cents. Maybe even like 4 cents, dude. It probably doesn't deserve to be at this price. But hey, man, it's set up technically. But what a joke, dude. Justin Sun. He picks his boogers. He doesn't do anything. This thing doesn't do crap, and it's been around for years. It provides no value to anyone's lives. But it is still here on the chart. So there you go, man. We're looking at it. Great. H-Bar runs Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system. Does it? Really? It's time to moon. Good for Tron. Helping with transferring tether transfers. That's awesome, dude. Tron is best for sending tether around. What a winner, dude. Time to go to all-time highs then.
Can you look at Grimace coin?
We already looked at Grimace coin on Poo Coin. We already looked at it. It was trash. It already lost 88% of its value from the crash, or from the pump and dump. It pumped, it dumped. And everyone's laughing. XO3, I see you. Oh, it's so fun. Everyone's laughing so hard. Yeah, this is the funniest thing in my entire life. He's asking about Grimace coin. I'm so sick of Grimace coin. The epitome of the North American. That's Grimace. I don't tell you, dude. Grimace coin. Scrub, dude. Grimace would never trash Mitch coin. Yeah, because Grimace would never even mention it. Say the whole chat. He was streaming in my position. He'd look at it and just ignore it. Oh, because he's owned by McDonald's corporate PR. Oh yeah, nah, no way I did. Never. Was Mitch Raycoin fair during the bull run? Oh, dude, I don't even know. It was on the Waves platform. I don't think anyone traded it. I mean, like, I know, like, me and, like, Probes have, like, the majority coins of it, I think, or something. But we can't even access our accounts anymore. Dude, it was a 2018 weird thing. I didn't do it. Someone created it. It's not like the new Binance Smart Chain coin where if it gets created, I'm the creator and I'm going to scam you. You better buy it. And I'm going to rug pull on you every freaking peak. It was back in more normal times where there were scams, certainly, but not like scams by individual creators to ruin your life, you know. So you accessed it a couple months back, Coffee? Really? How did it do, man? How's it going, man? You have a couple Mitch Ray coins, Lammy? What? I don't believe you at all. You won someone when Jeopardy was going on. Some of y'all don't even, most of y'all don't even know. I used to do Jeopardy on this stream and it was amazing. And I stopped doing it because it was so much like work. And it was normally like no one watched. It was so demoralizing putting in so much effort and then like getting no views. I'm like, why would I put this effort in? It's just like, ugh, it's stupid. It was really educational though. One day maybe bring it back. Kanatomo was like the master though. He would win all the games. He would wreck everybody here in Jeopardy. Yeah, it is in the intro briefly at the end. You're right. Super rare. Super rare. And really, this is a run out the clock situation till my tacos get here. In less than 30 minutes till the Patreon hangout. In the Discord. If you're a patron, you get that, man. Yeah.
Can we give Grimace a pear review? Hungry for fruit. Sorry. Feels bad, man.
Grimace pear review. Yeah, here's your pear review. I got it right here. Yeah, super obese, morbidly obese, lifespan wrecked, life expectancy wrecked. If you're morbidly obese, you have no right to try to make healthy people take an experimental vaccine. You should shut up and just shut up and maybe try to lose some weight. But if you're like overweight, it's on you. It's your fault. You're one of the reasons. You're the people that get hospitalized. You have immunocompromised, right, body. So start taking preventative measures so the COVID doesn't kill you. If you're normal, if you're healthy, you're not going to get killed by COVID. So lose some weight. Grimace and everyone that is now Grimace.
Can you provide your
because they engineered it that way. They're like, everyone's going to be freaking Grimace in 25 years because of our latent trash food and them eating it every day. Yep. What's up, Benjamin, dude? Can I look at... Huh? Grimace coin? No, I can't look at Dogecoin, Grimace. Grimace, look, dude. Look. Truckers in Canada revolting. That's probably not good for tankers. Anyone checked the NAT price? Brad, checked NAT lately? How's it doing over there? Stop being overweight, man. And then if you're going to be overweight, you have no right to tell anyone anything about health. You should just shut up. You shouldn't say anything. ALF to US dollar. Good God, what is this? ALF? Definitely looks like it's topping out. To some degree, anyway. We ran up, we tried it once. No, we tried it twice. We tried it 3 times. Good God, how many times are you going to fail? Before you get devastated. I don't like the fail at the same resistance 3 times. I don't feel very great about it. Hey, congratulations. It is making a higher low. Sure is, dude. Sure is. But to me, I look at something like this and I'm like, oh, it's connected to crypto. Crypto's extremely uncertain right now, with Bitcoin being between 35 or 30,000 and 40,000. Hey, if Bitcoin recovers, there's a chance ALF could rally here. It's still above the 200-day simple moving average, so congratulations on that. It's making higher highs, higher lows. That's awesome. I would think your cutoff on this one's probably 41.7 cents. Where's another swing high? Right there. The swing high back from February of last year. Oh, that's what it's testing. There could be a hidden bullish divergence argument going on, maybe on the MACD or something. Not really, though. Dude, it's tough. Like, you flip a coin, it rallies here. No, you're wrong, Super Drag. It's ALEPH. It's not even the right... It's not ALF coin. It's not like the 1960s Alien. It's the... obviously a tepid off brand of it. ALF. .im to Tether. Big winner, dude. Like the biggest winner I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, I'm just kidding. Like, I don't know. I guess the zone of inflection is gonna be there. If you hold that upside, you don't hold that, I don't care, man. You just get wrecked, dude. Like you're still holding like every support that you could dream of, right? There's a demand line there that goes back to July last year. Okay. But dude, think about one peak and a second peak's kind of sketchy. And the second peak more locally is happening after it already did that in April. Like, how many times are you gonna fail to break resistance before it's over? How many times? But yeah, you are not in technical trouble probably till you break 41 cents, okay? I'm not telling you to take a long or take action. I'm telling you you're in a well-established uptrend, but you failed numerous times recently, since 3 different times in October, or since October, to break that 79 cent area. Now you're dumping again, but you're still making higher lows. You're still above the demand line. So all is technically kind of well in these really uncertain effed up conditions. That's all I can tell you about ALF coin. The trend is not in jeopardy yet because you have not taken out your previous discernible major swing lows. The trend is not in jeopardy quite yet because you're still above horizontal line support resistances that are important, right? So it still exists. It's still okay. Would I take action? No, but I'm still observing it, and it's okay for now. But again, locally, you just tested again and failed, and massive markdown real fast. Okay. Can you look at Grimace Could you look at Grimace Coin in peer review? Can you look at Dogecoin? Can you look at ALF? Could you look at Elon Musk? What are my thoughts on Elon Musk? My thoughts? Certainly a genius. He's kind of based. He did talk crap about Brandon, which again, at this point, it doesn't matter if you're left or right. It's nonpartisan. Let's go, Brandon. I mean, like, it literally is, dude. He hasn't helped anybody on the left or the right. It's nonpartisan. So let's go, Brandon, including Elon saying the same thing. Let's go, Brandon. Wet, damp, whatever. It's a joke and isn't even legit, dude. It's weird, okay? Don't even... See, stop. Ronald McDonald, stop. Stop bringing stuff up, okay? Elon, though, awesome. Cybertruck, gonna be legendary. Gonna be awesome. I can't wait till it comes out. I might buy one. I don't know. It's only like 40 to 80 grand. So maybe after putting in the shifts at McDonald's, I buy a Cybertruck, you know. It's a secondary vehicle or something. A wagon I shall use upon my farm. Or something. But Elon, amazing. Like, holy crap, he's so good. And Vet Moonboy hates him because he thinks Tesla's a scam, but still, gotta admire the guy. Like, how do you not have respect for Elon? I mean, for real. And Joe Rogan, too. Joe Rogan literally single-handedly devastating legacy media, making them look like idiots. And now they're trying to cancel him because they're so threatened, because they're freaking losers. Yeah. Legacy media equals a bunch of losers that are threatened by based people talking about actual truth, not pushing trash loser narratives. Okay? I'm not worthy of Joe Rogan, dude. You kidding me? I am but a peasant to that king, for real. Take my new BMW as a hand-me-down. No, remember, you will use my brand new BMW that hasn't even come in yet as a mere wagon that will, you know, whatever your land on your farm. Like, you know, Dwight Schrute, he says it. Your promised Lambos. Well, the Lambos were promised way before January 2021. If you had dollar cost average for 2.5 years leading up to the run, the promise of the Lambos, which we were all promised Lambos back then, they played out. I decided to not get a Lambo and just got a real estate property. You got your Lambos, dude. If you wanted a Lambo, you got your Lambo. If you participated in crypto for 2.5 years before the markup. If you got it into Bitcoin, which is, this just still doesn't make sense to me. I'm still like, I can't like register in my mind that it is real. That 55% of all Bitcoin market participants joined in 2021. What? Over half. I thought we were real. I thought, like, we had a lot of people, man. Like, dude, like, I get it. You know, downtimes, viewership is lower. Still pretty good, man. Before 2021. 2020 was awesome, man. Like, you know, the crash sucked. We recovered. We held. We were rolling. We were rallying. 55% of y'all didn't exist until after January 1st, 2021. That doesn't make sense to me. That's crazy. So it's like, welcome to the effing show. You were promised Lambos, and you were given a Lambo if you were here before January of 2021. Yeah. Stop being so greedy. You should have been here. And this was like kind of the lesson of that entire time, me streaming every single day for 2.5 years before the breakout. You will be rewarded soon in time, but it might take a while. And this was we're talking every day, dude. You just don't, it's like, it's long grinding. Then the halvening happened, then the COVID crash. It was the COVID crash, then a couple months after, the halvening happened. And then the rallies and this reaccumulation started happening. It's like, then all of a sudden Jack Dorsey, you know, and Square, and then PayPal allowing people to buy, sell crypto. That was it, man. That was the very end of the accumulation, the massive composite operator accumulation before the Lambos. Yeah, Lambos. Life-changing money by far. Like, there's so many people in this community that are like rich. You get that, right? They're rich. because they participated in this market during the times where it was flat, up and down, up and down. Oh my God, 38.50, then 14K, then 31.50, 33.43 bottom, then 14K, then 38.50, then all-time high. Right? I mean, like, many people in this community are in much different financial positions than so many other people that are still in this community that are way newer, because they didn't enter crypto until like January of 2021. It's like, dang, dude, don't get mad at everyone else who was here way before you. We all been here. So guess what, though? That's great news. Eventually, it'll happen again, where your time in the market will beat you trying to time the market. Yeah. Yes. That is why, just not even thinking about it, dollar cost averaging bi-weekly or monthly, if you can. I know you can. You can set that thing up probably for $1 every 2 weeks. If you're really, really poor working at Burger King, you can't even afford to work at McDonald's, right? You can still put in $1 every 2 weeks, $1 every month. You just dollar cost average into this market forever, for years. You keep doing it. You do it at 38.50. You do it now. It doesn't matter. You keep doing it, man. You go down to 28K. You go down to 10K. Keep doing it, man. Eventually, over time, it'll play out. It'll work out for you. Based on his history. What do I say about the people turning 18 in December 2020? That sucks, dude. But hopefully you just heard what I said. You got to think about it on a grander scale. So what happens? Like, what if you were told it'll be another 2 years before we see 64, 69K, but we're going to break it and we're going to go to 100K, 120K next time? Like, what do you do? I mean, like, if you're told that and you know that, you wouldn't care. Okay, I'm going to average in as much as I can. But like, you're told that it will do that, but you're not told what the bottom's going to be of this reversal, right? You would say, I don't care. I'm just going to keep adding. Well, that's the conviction you have to have in an asset that since its inception has only gone up, and any time it dumps or crashes, it eventually just makes a substantially higher low than its previous low before it. That's the only way you can approach something like crypto, or like Bitcoin anyway. Not crypto, just Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum. The others are trash. I could see in 5 years, EOS is the same effing price it was today. Something like EOS, yeah, dude, what a loser. That, because it was 3 years ago, it's the same effing price it was. Dude, forget these S coins. They're distractions to keep your liquidity away from Bitcoin. But dude, I could make so much more money on EOS, dude. It's like, no, you can't. It's a fallacy. It's like to make you think you can, like the multiplier fallacy. It's a loser, though. Hands in pockets. They don't do anything. They're trash. They're losers. $4 billion down the drain. Venture capitalists. What's up, Maximiliano? I remember you, dude. Good to see you again. Welcome back, man. A lot has changed. Will they give me a drink?
Ever checked out Q's US 100? Same
Cool,
but
Bamba.
different. Didn't get the higher high. Just interesting
No, I
to me
haven't.
on the weekly.
I have not. I'm gonna try to type that in. I don't know if I've ever done that. Never. So Bitcoin dollar US 100. Let me try that and enter it. This is my chart. You tell me if I'm wrong, okay? Is this the right chart or the wrong chart? Yikes. Distribution confirmed. Blabomba man, let me know what's up. Quick in the chat, in the stream chat, or like, you know, whatever. Live chat. Obviously mega range, but lower highs. Ooh, yikes. Below that 2017 peak. Yeah, La Bomba says, yeah. I mean, like, you know, it's an 886, just like Bitcoin spot price, but way worse performer to the US dollar. or way worse performer here than to the US dollar. Not even an 886. More downside. 228 is your 886, which makes sense. It would make sense for you to diverge. Like it's really whacked out here on the oscillators. Again, right? If you're gonna talk about full resets, you're talking about 786 is confluent with the 1272. But then also at the same time, your 886 is confluent with the 1414. These are both reasonable areas to believe that this could go to for the reset after the lower high. The confirmation high was established. But at the same time, if you never break 216, you could say, all right, you could try. I don't think you can. I don't think it is a classic M shape because it's too shallow here, October, to be anything. Like it's not even a 38% retrace. It's not a 382. It's nothing. Not even like 25% retrace. No way, dude. Nah. I mean, I get it though. 886. It doesn't matter about a formal M shape or anything. Get to the 886 and we'll talk. Oh god, discoordinating, man. It's got my food's on the way. Shoot, ruined my dinner. Trying to eat in peace. I guess, dude. DXY has been bumping, hasn't it? DXY made the highest high since July of 2020. Today. There it is. Look at that pump, dude. Look at the pump. And the MACD making higher levels than the previous high. What a king, dude. What an uptrend. What a freaking uptrend. Oh, remember when Bitcoin was a hedge against inflation? Like everything tech, everything high growth was a hedge against inflation. It wasn't just Bitcoin. It was all the S coins too. It was NFTs. It was everything, man. It was Tesla tequila, Tesla whistles that look like Cybertrucks. It was everything, man. Everything was a hedge against the US dollar and inflation. Okay, well, look at the US dollar right now. Doesn't care. It keeps pumping, keeps getting stronger. And this is the denominator of all these things you look at. Numerator's getting wrecked. Not doing too well. We need that trend to reverse on the DXY. This is not yet. It's not done. It's okay though. Remember, Bitcoin 4-hour bullish and golden candle, and it's trying to hold. And I think like if it does hold here on the busted 60-minute potential head and shoulders that failed, you could see 40K. 40K could happen, dude. It's not weird. You get that, right? The fact that you're between two major inflection points, you have to flip the coin. The flip the coin goes to 40K. You flip the coin, it lands on the other side, it goes to 30K next. It's just, it is a coin flip area. It is not at a reasonable, actionable, insane, perfect area to make a decision on a certain long or short. It's not. It's like the worst area, actually, for traders. It's not a good one. But at the same time, the asset certainly did, from its lows from June to its all-time highs, it made a perfect 88% retrace. What we know about the 886, value perceived areas for market participants at 886s, because it's like you go to Amazon and that thing you wanted so long for, you wanted it for so long. It says an 88% sale on the price. And you're like, dang, dude, I'll take that. I'll go long on that. What? And then that's your argument there. It's lost just so much value in a few months, and it's hit that area, that magic 886 area. That's all you got going for you. Okay. So, 5 minutes till the Patreon stream, so I guess I got to get out of here. Got to get my food, too. And you get it, though, right? I wanted to spend some more time here because I owed it to y'all, the tips on the earlier stream, and we were drinking, all that. So, thank y'all for coming out, and I am grateful. Like, whatever. I really am. Like, despite sometimes me being extremely stern and candid with y'all. It is only out of the part of my heart that is about love, man. It's just tough love. It's like, I want you to be better. So I've learned in life from master coaches who have been my coaches, like who have taught me, like, it is good to be candid. Very good to be candid. It's like the best way to acquire lessons and to learn things. No sugarcoating. So whatever. But y'all be good. I'm really grateful for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. We're back. Until next time, respect the T. A.